If money matters to you, this is your door. I recently reviewed 10 beginner virtual assistant profiles, different people, different countries, same problem. And 90% were making one mistake that guarantees clients will scroll past their profile without reading. Not because they are not good, but because their profile is set up to be ignored. Hello, I'm Ree and this is Money Time with Ree, and on this channel we'll talk about how to make money, how to invest smartly, and how to avoid financial mistakes. And today I'm going to show you exactly what I saw in those profiles and how to fix yours so clients actually pay attention. Most beginners think their problem is I don't have experience. No, your real problem is that your profile does not communicate value in the first 5 seconds, and clients don't spend more than 5 seconds deciding whether to click or scroll. By the end of the video, you know the exact mistakes I saw repeatedly, how to write your title and overview, how to make your profile client attractive even without any experience. Now, the first mistake I saw was terrible profile titles. I saw things like virtual assistant as a title, freelancer, hardworking VA. This tells the client nothing, absolutely nothing. What it should be like is email and calendar management for busy founders, admin support for coaches and creators, clear, specific, and valuable. Very clear. Now, I saw another mistake which is also very common, which is the boring and the generic overviews. Their profile overviews were so boring and generic. Almost all of them started with I am a hardworking, dedicated individual. Clients don't care. In fact, I don't care. We don't care. We don't care if you're hardworking, dedicated. They want what problem you solve, what task you handle, what results they get. Your overview should start with the client's pain, not your personality. Mirror the client's pain point. I repeat, mirror your client's pain point. That is what will attract them and make them read up. And I saw a very common one again, which is listing too many skills. I saw profiles listing data entry, social media, design, writing, customer support, research, editing. This makes you look very confused, like very confused. Clients trust specialists, not generalists. Specialists, not general. That person that does one thing for a particular set of people, that is the people they hired, not generalists. The fourth mistake I saw in these profiles were no proof anywhere. No proof, no samples, no screenshots, no examples. Even if you have no clients, you should upload sample inbox organization, sample calendar scheduling, sample document formatting. Proof beats promises. Moving on, I saw a very common mistake among all of them, and this was so common, and that mistake is profiles looking like it was written for school, not clients. The long paragraphs, big grammar, no structure. Clients, they scan, they don't read. Use short line, clear bullets, very simple words. If you're realizing your profile looks like this video, subscribe to Money Time with Ree and comment profile, because this is where it changes. Let me quickly recap. 90% of beginners use bad titles, write boring summaries, list too many skills, show no proof, write like student, not service providers, little or no keyword for the algorithm to pick up. I'm going to talk a little bit about this. Now, these freelancing platforms have their own algorithm, and what to make the algorithm to pick up your profile is you using the right keywords for the right skills for the right people. Your keywords should represent what you do, mirror your client's pain point and your expertise and previous results. Little or no keyword for the algorithm to pick up is another very common mistake. All of them, literally all of them, we are making. Don't make that mistake if you want results. Let me handle the objections. I don't know what to write. Use a simple structure. Another one is I don't have experience. Create samples. And the very common one, I don't know my niche. My dear, start with email and admin support. So after this video, change your title, rewrite to overview, remove extra skills, add 2 samples. Do this today. That shows you're very intentional. Do it today after watching this video. The best profiles I've seen are not the most experienced. They are the clearest. If you fix your profile, clients will start noticing you without chasing them. They will notice you without you even trying to chase them. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Money Time with Dre. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video because people need it, and turn on your notification bell to keep you updated on all my latest videos. And until next time, stay financially fabulous.